Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell from the title of the video, we are going to be doing my third Splendies unboxing. So, a couple things to throw in. This, for the first time, I do actually have in the package that I didn't open. I'm not going to show you my address, but I didn't open it this time. I've been really bad the past 2 months about wanting a sneak peek, and then, yeah. I did it. I was able to keep it closed. I did just get it yesterday, so I'm filming right away so that you guys can see it because I want to open it. I want to see. So, second thing is that I usually get the all thong subscription the past 2 months. That's what I did. That's what I prefer. But a girl can never have too many other types of underwear too for just other reasons, occasions, need, whatever. I just wanted to see what the underwear would be like if I changed it up. So I did change my profile to be a mix of everything, same sizes. I don't know if it applied for the month of May or not, but we're going to find out. Also, from my last video, Splendies did give me a shout out and offered to put an extra pair of underwear in my next package, so I'm hoping that that is this one. So I'm hoping that we'll get 4. You usually get 3 pairs of underwear, and I think it's like $13.99. The quality is amazing, the underwear is so cute, and they are so comfortable. So let's break into this bad boy and see what we've got going on. Oh my gosh, and guys, usually it comes in a little blue package, and this month my thing is not blue. It's this adorable pink package. And then just so you guys can see, that is the Splendies logo. So it does say that it's Splendies when you get it in the mail. It comes just like this, but it doesn't specify that it's underwear. So, I mean, I don't feel weird about it, but if other people feel weird about it, just letting you know. Comes in this adorable little package. The past 2 months my paper has been blue. I thought it always came in blue. Maybe that's for the all thong subscription. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. So I just kind of like rip it open. You could probably do a way better job, but I'm not good at that. And then you just sort of unfold it. Let's see, I'll give you guys the sneak peek look with me. So this is what it is inside. Obviously, I can tell that these are not all thongs. So it did apply for this month, which is good, which means that after this package, I can swap it back to the all thong subscription again and go back with that. I just wanted to get a couple different ones, kind of show you guys what comes in a non-all thong subscription. And because, you know, it's just nice to have a couple extra pairs of random types of underwear. So I pick it up. It does just kind of look like this, and we're just going to kind of go for it, just sort of unfold. So here is kind of what the random looks like. So we'll just start on top with this cute gray one. Just gray with like a little white lace trim. They are really cute. They look kind of like a bikini type style. It says Miss Vicky's Intimates, and it does say that the MSRP, or the suggested retail price, is $12. So this by itself plus tax would basically have been the price for all of the underwear. Like I said, you do typically get 3 pairs of underwear for, I believe it's $13.99, which is an excellent deal, especially for the quality of this underwear. So that is really cute. I'm really excited. I did get 1 thong in this package, and it is this. It is like a little navy blue with lace, a white, kind of off-white lace trim, and the lace is so soft, you guys. It's thick, it's nice, and it is really soft. This is one of the Splendies brand, and I do get size small just for reference, and the suggested retail again is $12. So these two together are already almost double the price of what you would pay for regular shipping on this guy, or not shipping, but you know, the package in general. So next I have this super adorable, like kind of bikini style with like a paisley-ish print, I guess you would call that, and it's like it's basically like red, white, and blue, but you know, not American style, but super cute. I love the lace trim that all of these have, and the lace is just really good quality and really soft. These are going to be adorable. Again, Splendies brand, $12, you know, and of course that's MSRP, suggested price, but you know, if you go to Victoria's Secret, if you go to places like that at the mall, or, you know, wherever to get quality underwear, you're paying basically between $9 and $15 a pair of underwear on the regular. If you go to Walmart, take it from me, you're definitely going down in quality, and honestly, you're not going that far down in price. And then the last one is just this light blue and dark blue, kind of cute, different, and I like that this one has the lace on the leg and then just has like a solid top. Just kind of gives it something different. You know, like I said, I don't usually get all these different kinds of underwear. I just wanted to kind of show you guys what comes in the different kinds. And I mean, there's other YouTubers out there who do unboxings of this, of Splendies, who get, you know, the mix, and they could kind of give you like more of an idea of more than just 1 month. But I did just want some cute, good quality underwear for other, you know, other styles. But I am going to go ahead and switch my subscription back to all thongs because that is my favorite. So obviously next month I will be able to show you all the thongs again. If you want to see my past 2 months with the all thongs, so you can see what different, if I could talk, different styles of thongs you get, the different kinds, lace, silk, whatnot. Check out my videos on my channel. I do have them labeled as Splendies, and I get underwear in the mail, so check those out. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.